Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to schedule your week. Begin by dedicating 15 to 20 minutes each Sunday to plan. Start by listing your top 3 to 5 most important goals for the next 7 days. Then, block out specific times for these crucial tasks, ensuring they align with your energy levels. Remember to include all fixed appointments and commitments first. Once you have your priorities, categorize all other tasks. Use time blocking to assign specific periods for similar activities, like email or administrative work. For deep work, try to schedule uninterrupted blocks of at least 1 hour. Remember to incorporate short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. A perfect schedule includes flexibility. Always leave about 1 to 2 hours of buffer time each day for unexpected interruptions or tasks that take longer than anticipated. Crucially, schedule time for yourself. Exercise, hobbies, and relaxation are vital. A balanced week ensures you remain productive and avoid feeling overwhelmed by your commitments. At the end of each week, take 10 to 15 minutes to review your schedule. Reflect on what went smoothly and identify any areas that caused stress or felt rushed. Use these insights to refine your approach for the following week. Consistent review and adjustment will help you create a highly effective and personalized weekly schedule over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.